guys, and welcome back. I'm so excited for this video. This is our first tutorial using our brand Kennedi'S Essentials. This is so exciting. So the first product that I'm going to talk about today is our black soap cleanser. The first 5 ingredients is water, aloe vera juice, shea butter, coconut oil, and palm oil. This is retailing for $11 and it's 8 ounces. I decided to use a twist top because I felt that it was so much easier to get into the scalp to cleanse it. So all you have to do is kind of move your hair a little bit. So if your hair is extremely thick, you could just easily put it in. Because it's a little watery, I felt that this was a better use for a top for the product. So we used essential oils, peppermint, tea tree, rosemary, just to stimulate the hair to grow, as well as to gently cleanse the scalp, because we know that tea tree has antibacterial and antifungal properties, and peppermint oil and rosemary oil helps to stimulate hair growth. So if you feel like your hair is the growth is a little bit slow, I would suggest that you use this. Keeps your hair nice and moisturized as well. So the next amazing product from our product line that we're using is the Moisturize and Restore Deep Conditioning Mask. I love this mask because the first ingredient is banana juice. And banana juice we know has potassium in there. It has great strengthening properties. There's also oat protein in this as well, and castor oil. So if your hair is lackluster in shine or anything like that, or elasticity or luster, I would suggest you use this product. One of the main things I love about it is it has strengthening properties as well as moisturizing at the same time. Because a lot of times we don't want to use a protein deep conditioner and then a separate moisturizing one. So I wanted to combine the two. So this is great, and it smells amazing, just like bananas. And I used a plastic cap and our thermal deep conditioning cap on Kennedy's hair. I put the thermal deep conditioning cap in the microwave for 3 minutes, and it sat on her hair for 20 minutes. And then I'm going to rinse out the deep conditioning mask. So after I rinsed it out, as you can already see, her hair looks shiny. Her coils are popping back. It just looks so good. So I love the combo of the black soap cleanser with the deep conditioning, with the Moisturize and Restore Deep Conditioning Mask. So the next product that we're using is our all over butter. This is $14. I love this all over butter. You don't have to use it with in the hair. I like to use it for some shine. I like to use it on Kennedy's hair when her scalp is feeling dry because of the amazing ingredients in it. It has mango butter, olive oil. It's a nice and light butter, and you could also use it on your skin as well. It has cranberry seed oil as well, which has amazing antioxidants in it, which will help you for your skin as well as your hair. You can use it to detangle your hair as well. One of the other amazing ingredients in our product line is the extra moisture hair milk. I love this hair milk because it's light but packs a powerful punch of moisture because of the aloe vera juice and the shea butter, the avocado oil. It's just penetrating right into your scalp. The BTMS helps to condition the hair, helps to detangle the hair. So it's just amazing. And again, with the aloe vera juice, it has strengthening properties in it as well as the avocado oil. So this combo will moisturize your hair, strengthen your hair, restore your hair to the way that you want it to be. It's not too heavy, but it's not too light at the same time too. And anybody can use this on their hair. If your hair is relaxed, if you doing a protective style, if you are just wanting to put your hair away, if your hair is wavy, curly, whatever it is, you can use all of these products on your hair. The all over butter is not heavy. If you have flyaways after you flat ironed your hair, you could definitely put a little bit on your hair to give it that shine as well. So I'm sectioning off the hair. I'm using some more of the extra moisture hair milk as well as the all over butter, just like a makeshift lock method. And I'm also doing 3-strand twists on Kennedy's hair. I love doing 3-strand twists because I feel like it's just so much faster instead of the 2-strand and the braid outs. So this is just one of my favorite things to do on Kennedy's hair, is doing that. So after I put in all the products and I'm finger detangling her hair, I just want to do a quick close-up so you guys can just see how moisturized her hair is, and it's already looking shiny. It's looking moisturized, and the same way that it looks wet, it's gonna look and feel the same way once it's dry. Because sometimes we'll put products on, it'll feel really good once we put it on when our hair is wet, and then when it dries, it'll feel just dry and just not good. But this product combo with the deep conditioner, the shampoo, which will cleanse your hair and moisturize it, so it's just moisture, 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 moisture. So the main components of these products I wanted to hone in is every hair type needs to be cleansed, needs to be moisturized, and it needs to be conditioned. So Kennedi's hair is cleansed, moisturized, and conditioned. I love it. So now her hair is dry. I just put a little bit of edge control on the front of her hair as well as some more all over butter. It looks moisturized. It's soft. So guys, please check us out. We're at kennedisessentials.net. These are amazing, amazing products, and we're going to come to you with more tutorials to show you of different styles that we're going to do on the hair using our products. In a previous video, you will see all the products that are in the line. So we hope you enjoy, guys. Bye.